Okay, this isn't another time of the day playing Fortnite. I need to get this victory royale. Oh my freaking god, I never ever got a victory royale in my entire life. Jesus, I need to get this or else I will throw a mental breakdown and for an extreme meltdown. Now let's get going. There's 89 players left in this match. Yay, I killed 13 people, and now there is a 1v1, and it says 2 players left. I feel like I'm going to win, for the win. Let's do it. Yes, yeah, I'm killing him. Yeah.
Warning, please turn down your volume. This scene will be so loud.
Oh my god! You got lotions in my head! Oh my god! I'm so glad! I am extremely so glad! No!
White man, I am extremely angry at you for using a real gun to shoot the TV. That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5, 5, 4, 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 6, 4, 3 years. Get in bed right now.
White Tram, I am very extreme angry at you for using a gun to shoot the TV. You bad boy. Stay in bed for 1 jillion years. Go to sleep forever.